Welcome back, gamers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of PC building, and I'll walk you through step by step on how to build a powerful gaming PC from scratch in 2023. So, grab your anti-static wristbands, let's get started. Segment 1. Planning. The first step is to plan your gaming PC build. Determine your budget, preferred gaming performance, and the type of games you want to play. Research the latest PC hardware, and consider factors like CPU, GPU, RAM, storage, and cooling options. Segment 2. Choosing components. Now it's time to select the components for your dream gaming PC. Aim for a balanced system, and consider these top choices for 2023. 1. Processor. CPU. Look for the latest high-core CPUs from Intel or AMD to ensure smooth gaming and multitasking. 2. Graphics card. GPU. Opt for a powerful GPU from NVIDIA or AMD to handle modern games at high resolutions and frame rates. 3. Memory. RAM. 16 GB or more of high-speed RAM will keep your system running smoothly. 4. Storage. Consider a combination of fast SSD for your operating system and games, and a larger HDD for general storage. 5. Motherboard. Choose a compatible motherboard that supports the latest features and has room for future upgrades. 6. Power supply, PSU. Get a reliable and efficient power supply with enough wattage to support your components. Segment 3. Assembly. Now comes the fun part. It's time to put all the components together. Follow these basic steps. 1. Grounding. Wear an anti-static wristband to protect your components from electrostatic discharge. 2. Install the CPU. Gently place the CPU into the motherboard socket, lock it in place, and apply thermal paste. 3. Install the GPU. Insert the graphics card into the appropriate slot on the motherboard. 4. Install RAM. Carefully insert the RAM sticks into the memory slots until they click into place. 5. Storage. Connect your storage drives to the motherboard using SATA cables or M.2 connectors. 6. Power supply. Mount the power supply and connect its cables to the motherboard, GPU, and drives. 7. Cable management. Organize the cables neatly to ensure proper airflow and aesthetics. Segment 4. BIOS setup. With the hardware assembled, it's time to boot up your gaming PC and enter the BIOS. Check for the latest firmware updates and configure essential settings like boot order, XMP profiles for RAM, and fan curves. Segment 5. Installing operating system and drivers. Insert your preferred operating system installation media, such as Windows or Linux. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your OS. After that, install the latest drivers for your GPU, motherboard, and other components. Segment 6. Stress testing and benchmarking. Before you start gaming, stress test your PC using software like Prime95 and Furmark to ensure stability. Benchmark your system with tools like 3DMark to evaluate its performance. Segment 7. Gaming experience. Congratulations! Your gaming PC is now ready for action. Install your favorite games and enjoy immersive gameplay at high settings and smooth frame rates. And that's it. Building a gaming PC from scratch in 2023 might seem daunting, but with proper research and patience, you'll have a system that's tailored to your gaming needs. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow gamers. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.